I'm going to show you how to make this mock cable. It's just made using lace. See it here? That's how it will look once blocked. Multiples of 9 plus 2 over a 24 row repeat. I have made 3 multiples of 9. Okay. Let's start from the beginning then. I'll begin with row 1, which is purl 2, knit 7. Repeat that till the end. Last 2 stitches, purl 2. Let's begin. Row 1 is easy. Purl 2. These needles are vintage, they're not very sharp. Okay, and then knit 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then we do that all the way across. Okay, row 2 and all even rows will be the wrong side of the work, and we will knit the stitches as presented. When you come across the yarn overs from the previous row, we'll purl them. So I've already done that. There were no yarn overs from the previous row, so it was the simple knit 2, purl 7 across. For row 3, we will purl 2, yarn over, knit 3, slip 1, knit 1, pass that stitch over and knit 2. Then we shall repeat that until the last 2 stitches where we will purl 2. Purl 1, 2. Now we yarn over, knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip 1 stitch over, knit the next stitch, grab that stitch and pass it over. Then we knit 2. 1, 2. So we just repeat that. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over, knit 2. And you repeat that across. Okay, now we'll show you row 4, which is on the wrong side of the work, and I'll show you this one because this one has purl overs from the previous row. So you knit stitches as presented. So it's like this. Knit 1 and 2. Now we're going to purl 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's going to be 7. See that one there? That's a yarn over, and I'll show you. Just purl it like the others, like that. See? Very easy. And you continue that across, and you do that for all the wrong side rows. This is how it's looking. Now we are on to row 5. Row 5 is purl 2, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, slip 1, knit 1, PSSO, knit 1, and you repeat that till the last 2 stitches, always ending with a purl 2. Purl 2, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over and knit 1. And you just repeat that till the end. Row 7 and 8 complete. Now we will move on to row 9. Purl 2, knit 7. So I don't think I need to show you that because it's pretty easy. You just purl 2, knit 7. And then for row 10, you will knit 2, purl 7 like you do for every wrong side row. yarn back, just completed row 14. This is how it's looking. Okay, now we will do row 15. Purl 2, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, then knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now we yarn over. Then repeat the row again, purl 2, knit 2, knit 2 together, knit 3 and yarn over, and you repeat that across. Once row 15 has been completed, we move on to row 17. Purl 2, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1. To the last 2 stitches, purl 2. So, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and knit 1, and then you just repeat that across. Okay, row 17 and 18, which is the wrong side, have been completed. Now we will move on to row 19. Purl 2, knit 2 together, knit 3, yarn over, knit 2. So row 19, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and knit 2, 1, 2, and then you repeat that across. Row 19 has been completed. This is how it's looking. And then when we move on to rows 21 and 23, it's very easy. It's like what we did for row 9, 11 and 13, where we just purl 2 and knit 7 across.